The holidays are here, so let's check out this 2-in-1 projector light that can be used indoor or outdoor. This projector comes with 10 different slides and it's really easy to set up. I'm going to show how this sets up. Now you can stake it into the ground like this if you're using it outside, or you can use it with this base inside, or you can even mount it because it has holes here. To set this up, you've got your little piece here and you're just going to press it in like that. And then tighten it, just like so. And once you do that, you've got a little bit of movement here. And then you can insert your stake like that, or you can do it like that. So I'm going to show what this looks like plugged in. This projector comes with 10 different slides, and to install them, you're going to unscrew these little pegs here, and then you're just going to insert whichever slide you want to do in here, just like that.